Welcome back, Hotwheelers. Craig here with the next build, the Nissan Skyline for GNR Vintage Diecast Racing. So just show you what's going to be happening here. Just show you a quick one. So that's how the casting sits. So that's the interior. So the interior, I've marked it off. If you can see the black mark just there, I'm going to cut this section of the car off. If you have a look here, you can see it as well there. So this middle part here will disappear, leaving this massive area to put my weight in. I think with that size there, you're looking at a really decent size of a really decent weight actually to come. And so also this will have to be ground off as well in the front, just like the Bentley Continental. So this one will be fitted with these special rubbers to control the car from spinning out when it hits the 180-degree curves on the fat track. These are called Blackfire tires. If you go and check out the original DJ Triple J's YouTube channel, you can get more information on that. So I'll just fit one for you guys just to show you. What you do is you just stretch them a little bit, and then very easily over they go, just like that. Pull it off, and they're on the tire. And yep, and then if you can see it clearly, there's the Blackfire fitted onto the wheel. Look at that. Oh, it was like butter, this wheel, until yeah, everybody makes mistakes. If you can see, the glue there had done a wheel swap, but unfortunately some glue went on that one as well as this one as well. So yep, we all make mistakes. These wheels were farmed from the Kia Stinger. So the NASCAR, just going off a little bit, there's my first NASCAR. That's it's almost done. The wheels have been put on. I just need to add a little bit more epoxy over there to secure them properly. But yep, they look pretty good. I'm quite happy with how it's turned out. Very, very happy about that. I'll just put that on the dyno tester. So yeah, so this will be cut and then weight added. Yep, and then as you can see, you know, JDM. I've got some JDMs there for you guys, some eye candy, some beautiful JDMs. One of my favorite is the Mazda and the Skyline as well. Very, very nice. Yep, beautiful cars. So yep, that's it, guys. The next video up, you will see I'll have this cut out and the weights fitted, and probably some testing as well. And yep, the Skyline will be finished, and it will have the Blackfire tires fitted to it, because there's more than enough space on the Skyline once everything is in place. As you can see, I'll show you. As you can see, there's a massive amount of clearance there. So yeah, I think it's going to be real fast. So watch out, guys. Here comes another one. Till next time, guys, keep on Hot Wheeling. If you like my videos, hit that subscribe button. Talk to you guys later. Bye.